What you're looking at here, my friends, is something that you just don't see every day, and you haven't probably ever seen before here at Tiger Direct. What this is the IMO 7-inch USB monitor. Now, you might not be used to hearing about something called the USB monitor because generally there never has been any. Well, many of you may know that there has been USB video adapters in the last couple of years that allow you to simply use an existing USB port with a little box on the end and allowing that to drive another monitor. So instead of inserting a video card inside your desktop computer, or if you have a notebook computer and can't do that, you can simply plug into the USB port and extend your computer onto another monitor. But this takes it one step closer to pretty much seamlessness. All you have to do is use a USB cable and you're actually able to extend your desktop or clone your desktop onto this 7-inch monitor. Now, if you're wondering to yourself, well, what would I use a 7-inch monitor for? Imagine this. You're working on a netbook, right? Not much screen real estate on a netbook. And if that's all you've got, this doesn't take up much space in a bag, and you could take this with you pretty much anywhere. And then you could have two screens. You could have your netbook screen and this running at the same time. Now, at home, I have 3 different monitors on my computer as it already. Yeah, I know, I'm a little bit sick about it. I have to have lots of screens. I'm watching Hulu on one, I'm checking on my email on another, and I'm actually working on something else completely different on another screen. But yet there's some things that I'd like to have on my screens all the time, but I don't want to take up screen real estate for them. So I use this monitor underneath my left monitor on my desk to show all of my email, my downloads window, and also the weather and time and date. So I have access to my full calendar, all of my email, and all of those types of things right on this monitor without having to minimize a window, maximize the window, or do anything like that. It's always just sitting right there. And when you hit that download link, especially using Firefox, then my little download window pops up in there as well, so I can see the status of it, open it, do whatever I need to do without disturbing all of the important things, like watching Hulu, on the other screens. So let me just show you how easy this is. First of all, it just comes with one cable. And you'll notice that this cable has 2 ends on it. So you got a mini USB on this end that's going to connect into the display itself, and then on the opposing end you have 2 standard USB-A connectors. And the reason for 2 connectors is because it needs the power to drive the monitor. Okay, so first you're going to just take the mini USB and plug it in here in the monitor. Okay, so now that you have the cable connected to your monitor, all we have left to do is connect it right here into your laptop. Now, if you're hooking this up to a desktop and you need to use a USB hub because you're out of USB ports, you need to make sure that it's a powered hub. If you use a non-powered hub, it's not going to work. And look, before I even do anything, you can see that my background has already come up here on my monitor. And in fact, let me show you. I'm not fooling around. It's not just a picture on there. It's actually an application. If you can see, I have a window here on the computer, and I'm moving it over onto that window. So from this window, I mean, this is just an example. I could put TV over here, I could put video over here, I could put the internet over here, I could put anything that I want over here. And that's pretty much it. Now, if you get this one, you can go in and change your settings so that you can rotate this display, so you can use it in portrait mode or in landscape mode. Just go into your monitor display settings and you'll be able to adjust that so that you can use it for whatever you want. In fact, there'd be nothing holding you back from putting Gmail or Outlook on this display just like this and having all of your email listed right here. So, like I told you, it's really quick, simple, and easy. All it takes are 2 plugs into the laptop, 1 plug into the monitor, and you're ready to go. Now, you'll find these on the web anywhere from $99 to $119. But at Tiger Direct, you know you're always going to get the best deal. And right now, these are only $89.99. I have to warn you that there is a very limited availability of these products left. There's only literally a handful in the warehouse. So make sure that you get on this deal today before they run out. This is Senior Editor Lonnie Paul, and this is the coolest monitor you'll ever own. For more information on this IMO 7-inch USB monitor, just type W66-1004 into the search box at tigerdirect.com.